How to enable or disable function keys in Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly on your keyboard on your device, you simply need to click the FN switch. Now this is a on-screen keyboard, so whenever I click on FN key, automatically the function keys get activated. So as to activate the function key on your physical keyboard, you need to click the escape and function key all together. After you click these two keys together, once you will be able to enable it, so as to disable the function key, again click these two keys together. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to enable or disable function key in Windows. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.